Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. This is week 9 assignment of the course Cloud Computing. Guys, for the past 5 years we have been providing solutions most accurately. So with that experience we are providing the solutions for this assignment as well. These are completely our probable solutions. You can differ with our solutions and you can give your own solutions in the comment section as well. But I think almost 100% solutions are probably correct. So please watch the video till the end, guys. First one, which of the following statements is or are false? So for first question, option A, fog and edge computing are substitutes for cloud computing. It is absolutely false. So mark option A as the probable solution for first question. Now let's move on to the second one. Guys, please watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video. If I make any changes in between the video, you can be able to note that only if you watch full length video. Second one, which of the following is not a layer of the cloud fog environment model? So for second question, option B, layer, serverless layer. So option B is the probable solution. Next, moving on to the third question. Guys, if you got benefited through our channel, definitely subscribe our channel forever and definitely like the video. If you like the video, our videos will reach more number of students so that they will also get benefited like you. So third one, in the cloud fog environmental model, servers contain a fog server manager and virtual machines to manage requests by using what technique? So for third question, option C, server virtualization technique. So mark option C as the probable solution for third question. Now let's move on to the fourth one. Guys, definitely share this video within your WhatsApp college unofficial groups and help your classmates as well. So fourth question. The architecture used for resource management in fog or edge computing is classified on the basis of which of the following? So for fourth question, there are two probable solutions. The first one is option B, data flow, and the other one is option A, tenancy. So mark option A and B as the probable solutions, probable options for fourth question. Now let's move on to the fifth one. Which of the following underlying algorithms is used to facilitate fog or edge computing? So for fifth question, there are three probable solutions. The first one is option A, discovery. Next, option C, benchmarking. And final one is option B, load balancing. So mark options A, B, and C as the probable solutions. Next, moving on to the sixth one. Guys, before getting into the sixth question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. For the course Cloud Computing with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs. So these are the combination of past NPTEL assignment MCQs as well as our own handmade MCQs extracted completely from NPTEL syllabus. Here you are going to get a huge number of 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So huge number of 300 MCQs. For one person it is 300 rupees. If you take it along with your friends or classmates as a group of 2 to 5 persons, you can get it for just 500 rupees only. Up to 5 members can use that. So 2 to 5 members, combined price is 500 rupees only, guys. So please share this news with your friends and classmates and form a group of 2 to 5 persons. So the combined price is 500. So individually you can share less price only. And each one will get 300 MCQs for just 500 combined price. So One from the group mail me to this email id bk179417@gmail.com. So already many students, professors have also taken our pack, guys. So they got better preparation ahead of the final exam. So bk179417@gmail.com. So mail me to this email id if you're confirmed to make the purchase. Already many students, professors and associate professors have also taken our pack. So huge number of 300 mcqs. For one person it is 300, for 2 to 5 persons combined it is 500 rupees. And there is another pack, that is YouTube membership pack. Here you will only get 100 plus mcqs. It's a sample pack actually, and only available in video format. The validity will be for 1 month and for one person 89 rupees. So this cloud computing mcqs, the validity will be till the exam results day. YouTube membership is 1 month, for one person 89. If you want this YouTube sample membership, sample pack, no need to mail us and no need to get any PDF. You can directly go to our YouTube channel page. So S Kumar Edu is our YouTube channel page. So beside the subscribe button there is a join button, so click on this. Then a small window will open like this. Select the second one, videos only for members pack, that is 89 per month pack. And again click on this blue color join button, fill the form and make payment directly to YouTube. That's it, you will become member of our channel and you can get access to all of our members only videos. Just for just 89 rupees you can get all these videos. So here you can see part 2 cloud computing is also prepared, and part 1 is also there. We are unable to show here because limited videos will be shown here. If you purchase that, you can get access to all of the videos. But my suggestion is, if you are preparing in a final exam point of view, it's better to take this huge number of 300 mcqs Google Drive pack. For one person it is 300, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500. So this is the mail id bk179417@gmail.com. So remember guys, only if you are confirmed to make the purchase, then only mail us, because many genuine students are waiting for us in a priority order. So we have to set everyone in a priority order. Based on that, we send the PDF. Within 10 minutes you'll get the PDF, guys, after the payment. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solution. So please share this news with your friends and classmates. Make some discussion happen on that. So sixth question, what is the technique in which a server, an application and the associated data are moved onto the edge of the network? So for sixth question, option C, offloading, is the probable solution. So mark option C. Next, seventh one. Cloud federation is the collaboration between cloud service providers to achieve which of the following? So for seventh question, there are two probable solutions. The first one is option B, interoperability, and the other one is option A, capacity utilization. So mark option A and B. Next, eighth one. Which of the following is false about loosely coupled federations? So for eighth question, option C, guys, advanced control over remote resources. They're asking for false thing, right? So mark option C as the probable solution. Next, ninth question. In which of the following different CSPs establish an agreement stating the terms and conditions under which one partner cloud can use resources from another? So for ninth question, option B, partially coupled federation, is the probable solution. So mark option B. And moving on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th one. Hybrid architecture combines the existing on-premises infrastructure with remote resources from one or more public clouds. to provide extra capacity to satisfy peak demand periods. So it is absolutely true, guys. So mark option A. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for weekly assignment of the course cloud computing. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel same, definitely subscribe our channel, like the video, and please share this with your friends and classmates. And don't forget to purchase this huge number of 300 MCQs pack. It's a Google Drive PDF restricted link. For one person, it is 300 rupees. For 2 to 5 persons, combinedly 500 rupees. So this is the mail ID bk179417@gmail.com. So that's it guys for this video. So keep supporting us like this forever. So until the next video, goodbye.